Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is MiryKimmy. In case you are new here, welcome. In case you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. We don't take you for granted. We thank God for you and may He bless you abundantly. So on today's video, as you can see, we are doing some stove cleaning. Yeah, so that's the video here for you. So watch to the end, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what you think about this video and share this video. Tell your friend to tell a friend, tell your dad, your mom, your sister, your brother to subscribe, and your cousins. Don't forget. So guys, enjoy this video. As you support me always, don't forget to continue watching all of my videos, the ones I've posted before. If you are new here, go back and watch. There are a lot of them, so go and watch them. Subscribe, don't forget kindly. So I want you to become my family so that we grow this channel. It's a small channel that I created just recently, so I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly guys support me so that we reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, so enjoy watching. See you later. Yeah, it had a lot of dirt towards the outside. You can see this mirror is not that clear because when we were cooking, water splashed to it, so that's why it looks like this. And I'm trying to remove all this dirt. Let me try to clean outside. Maybe it can get long ago. Hey, hey.
Oh my God!
Itang'ara. Yes, itakuwa clean at the end of the day. So usishake. Acha tujaribu tena. For the last time, we can see how it goes. Guys, maji ikishaingia hapa supu ikimwagikia hapa, it makes a stain, so I think this is a stain, but with the time itatoka. Yeah, with the time we will remove it this way. So we are done from the inside. Let's go to the outside. Pause. Then capture sasa. Guys, as I told you earlier, this is a kitchen cleaner I'm using. It's not a glass cleaner. This is a kitchen cleaner. So it is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it to clean your utensils, your kitchenwares.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, and you can use it to clean your countertops.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Yeah, so it is the one I'm using here. This is how I clean my stuff on a Sunday basis.
Uongo. Hiyo ni uongo bwana. Hakuna. Hiyo ni uongo hiyo.
Every Sunday I have to do this so that it can still look new. Yeah, you'll see at the end of the day the way it will be shining. So this is what we do. This part looks very dirty because it had stains all over, because of the water that splashed towards it when we were cooking and when we were baking too. So when you try to take your food out, sometimes an accident might occur, and that's how it got dirty. Yeah. Guys, this is the inside. Is it called mirror? Comment down below. Yeah, this is the outside, the inside one. So I'm wiping it with a serviette to avoid having marks where I have touched. So that's why I'm doing this. Then I'll return it to where it belongs. Hey guys, this thing is not easy. I'm trying to capture this content because even when I'm placing this glass, it might fall down and break. So let me put it inside where it was as we continue. Focus. Yes, I'm a proud girl. I've done it. This inside part. Yes. Okay. We continue with the inner part. Yeah, these are the metals that always are inside when we cook. So this plate, big plates. This one is done. Now we come to this one here. This one, because this thing is already wet because of the kitchen cleaner, you can just do this. Because if you spray here, your spray is going to go to waste. So when I was with Mama, guys, I'm saying you do this. One day, one day I'll I'll cook. Is it, how is it called? I will grill, or I'll do barbecue. Yes, that's the right word, not work. That's the right word. I'll do barbecue one of the fine days with this gas cook of mine. We see how it goes. Yes, I'll cook a duck for you guys. Duck. Have you ever tasted a duck? That day, you'll have to taste it. Yeah. It will be cooked by your favorite chief chef, Hassan. I'm here. I got you. So this is what I do here. Okay, these things, they are very heavy. They are not light as you can see on a video. Physically, they are heavy. I am struggling, but will be done soon. This is the only part remaining, and we call it a day. That one is done. Guys, I wish I could have taken a picture of before and after. I'm sorry, because I just started, then I remembered, oh, I need to take this video. I need to take this video. Yes, so next time I will remember to capture before I do something. Take a video of before and after. Okay? Don't worry. But the main aim was to clean this gas cooker, and that's what we are doing. Okay? When the stuff gets tougher, we don't stop. We keep going. I'm showing you every part of cleaning. Every part that I'm cleaning today. It was a full cleaning day. Cleaning day, not sleep. It's not day. It's not taking a day. In that minutes, you can get done with your cleaning. If your stove was not dirty as mine. Yes. Metals to where they belong. Guys, don't worry about the noise. These things, you cannot fix them without them making noise. So bear with me. You know they are metals. Now, hi Jesus. Now we put the inside ones. Till next time, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share what you think about this video. Okay? Adios.